Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to use the record ID in LWC. If you go in accounts and if you want to use the SFDC tag record ID, so how you can get that ID. So we are going to learn this today. You need to write @API record ID. So we are going to use this in HTML also so that we can see that on UI. Record ID. If you want to fetch something from JS, you need to write in parentheses. So record ID. So now let me deploy this code. Done. Let me refresh this page. You can use empty cache and hard reload. So there will be no cache and you don't need to refresh again and again. And I am using that component on task table. So now you can see the same ID here, AAW. So this is the same record ID. We are on that page. And if you want to check other accounts too, so you can go and task table. So you can see AM and AM both are same. So we are able to get the record ID, and now we want to send that record ID in Apex. So how you can do that? For that I need to import my class with method name. So there is a class custom table. So I write there custom table with method name get all tasks related to account. So here is the method name, and I am using wire method. That's the easy, and where you can pass the Apex record ID. I'm using Apex record ID. So with the Apex record ID I'm passing record ID. That's the here. So that's we were using in HTML also. So we are passing that record ID to Apex record ID, and now we can retrieve that record ID in Apex. So if I go with Apex, so I am using public static list with tasks. So I am getting that record ID here, Apex record ID. I was using system.debug, so I can confirmly see that I am getting the record ID. And where I am using that, I am using that in SQL query with the what ID. So I am passing that record ID here with limit 10. So I will get all the tasks with Apex record ID, where Apex record ID is related to on which object I am creating the task. If I am creating the task on account, so there will be account record ID. And if I am creating the task on opportunity, so there will be opportunity record ID. This way I am using the Apex record ID, and if you have any confusion, you can comment down below. Thank you.